What's up, guys? My name is Dylan Shortness. I'm a licensed HVAC technician. I do installs and service, and I record myself doing it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Does anybody have any tips to get my helper to start doing something? He's been an apprentice for 2 years, and he just sits there and lays by the beans and does nothing all day long. Okay, before this video starts, I just want to say it's not the best video, and I already know that. I couldn't get a lot of clips of what I was doing and talk over it and go over it and things like that like I normally do, because I wasn't the lead on this install. I was sent with one of our other installers who has 20 plus years of experience on me. So whenever I'm working with the older senior techs, I just like to be a sponge and just soak up all the info I can. I watch them, what they're doing. I try and keep them going. I basically be the apprentice for the day. All right, what's up, guys? Another Monday. Weekend always goes way too fast. Today's job is gonna be pretty fun, as far as I know. What happened was the house originally never had AC and had a boiler at first, but the contractor, I don't know, something convinced her to rip it out for some reason, and now it hasn't had either, and obviously it needs at least heat. So we're gonna go put both AC and heat in it. And there's nothing there right now, but it's not new construction, it's an existing house, so we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. That's where we're gonna put it. Got to build all the duct, everything new. So, used to have a boiler right here, but she gone.
Yeah. And it's not like they're watching shows where they're like, wow, what did you think about that? You can see.
Cookie wants to be a professional wrestler. I'm Cookie Serratos and I'm 11 years old. She also wants to be.
All right, this is going so much faster than I thought it was going to. We got someone who's been doing this for 20 years with us today, so he's way more experienced than I am, and he's just zooming. So I'm just being a sponge, soaking it up, learning, working. I'm cutting the holes in for the registers. So that's what I'm doing now, getting a bucket so I can clean my trash, and I got a shop vac, and we're moving, so.
And then place metal inside of them.
Depending on the cost, the clinic called Wanna Be Taller sounds very official.
Set this pad. We're gonna have to tear up some of these plants, run the line set. We're moving still, 940, 41. I gotta be at least 45 inches over from this window, somewhere in this category. At the time I'm recording this, we just hit 94 subs. Okay, we just got the metal made. We're gonna go to lunch now and we're gonna go put it on. I'm walking outside here. I found somebody's drill just in the dirt. I just checked the subs and we're at 102. Let's go. I'm all giddy like a schoolgirl. We got 102 subscribers. Let's go. All right, so we're wrapping it up, getting all the trash. We're done for the day. Line set is ran. We're leaving it like that. We'll be back in the morning. Got the caps on both. It's all right. Plugged my holes, exhaust and intake. Boom, boom. Set the condenser tomorrow. And it's pretty tight basement. Not a lot of places to take the exhaust intake and line set out, so it's all right there, but it'll be all right. Worked great, looks okay. It's all at the back of the house. It's good. Okay, that's gonna do it for this video. I just got home. We're going back to the same place tomorrow, so I'm gonna make another video. Today's Monday, the 28th. I'm gonna get this one posted, edited and posted tonight, and make another video tomorrow. Thanks for 100 subscribers. We're at 104 when I'm recording this. I appreciate that. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Peace.